In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make interactive Google Slides games. We'll build a simple multiple choice setup where each answer acts like a button that jumps to a correct or wrong screen, and we'll add a home button so players can always return to the start. It's clean, fast, and perfect for classrooms, trainings, or quick quizzes. Begin by opening Google Slides and creating 4 slides. Label slide 1 as start, slide 2 as your question or game part, slide 3 as correct, and slide 4 as wrong. Keep the start slide simple. This is your welcome screen. You can add a title, a short instruction, or a theme image. When you present, you'll move forward from here to begin the game. On the question slide, type your prompt and add the answer choices. For example, what is 5 plus 5? Then list A10 and B11 beneath it. Make sure the answers are clearly separated and easy to click. You can keep them as text or place each answer inside a shape to look more like a button. Either way works. Now turn those answers into clickable buttons. Highlight A10, then go to Insert Link. In the link options, choose Slides in this presentation and select the correct slide. That way, when someone clicks A10 during your presentation, it jumps straight to your correct screen. Do the same with the wrong answer or answers. Highlight B11, go to Insert, Link, and link it to the wrong slide. Test the links as you go to make sure they point to the right place. Next, build your result slides. On the correct slide, add big, clear text that says correct so players get immediate feedback. Below that, add a button labeled Next Question. Link this button to your next question slide when you create it. On the wrong slide, write Try Again and add a button labeled Back to Question. Link that button back to your question slide so players can retry. Finally, add a home button on every slide. Insert a small shape, label it home, and link it to slide 1. Keep it in the same corner across all slides so players always know where to find it. This creates a consistent, user-friendly navigation system. When you're done, click Present and try the full flow. Start, pick an answer, jump to correct or wrong, use back to question, and confirm home always returns to slide 1. With that, your interactive Google Slides game is ready to play.